Hi everyone. What I'd like to do in this video is to talk about how you can set up a WebEx meeting and also talk about the WebEx environment once you have set up a meeting. Now before doing that, the equipment that you'll need include a computer with internet access, a microphone either built into your computer or attached externally, and if you desire, a webcam either internal to your computer or attached externally. Now I'm in Google Chrome. The first thing that I want to do to establish the WebEx meeting is to go into myuwf.edu. I want to log in. And I want to select Cisco WebEx. Now if that's not showing, then you can go up to the search term at the top and put in WebEx, and it will bring up the Cisco WebEx. I'm going to click on that, and this brings up a screen where you can either join a meeting or sign in. Now if you are establishing a WebEx session, then you want to select Sign In. It's going to ask for your email address, and click Next. And this will bring up your personal room. In your personal room, you can either start a meeting or you can schedule a meeting. And since you will be probably scheduling meetings out, instead of doing the start a meeting, I'm going to select Schedule a Meeting. Now once you're in here, the name of the meeting, you can either do the WebEx Meeting Pro Meeting or the WebEx Personal Conference. I would just leave it at the WebEx Pro Meeting. You need to put in a meeting topic. I'm going to just say WebEx. You need to put in a password. It can be whatever you want. I'll just put in C King. Now in terms of the scheduling, you can schedule on whatever day you want. Currently it's scheduled for Monday the 16th. You can schedule the time of the meeting, whatever time you want it, AM or PM. You can indicate how long you want the meeting to last, whether you want it to be an hour, 2 hours, whatever. And once you've done that, you select Done. If you want the meeting to recur, for example, if you have Monday, Wednesday classes and you want to schedule meetings on Monday, Wednesday, you can check the recurrence and you can indicate the recurrence pattern, whether you want it to be weekly, daily, monthly, whatever, the number of times that you want to schedule it, the days that you want to schedule it, and so on. Now I'm not going to do a recurrence, so let me X out of that. For the attendees, probably your students, you need to include the student email addresses separated with a comma or a semicolon. And once you've done that, you want to select Start. So hi everybody. When you are in the WebEx meeting, you can do something with the microphone or the video, but I'll actually cover that when we're in the meeting. So I'm going to select Start Meeting. So here we are in the WebEx meeting. Not quite. So I'm back. Once you're in the WebEx meeting, there are a number of icons down at the bottom that you will probably find useful. This first one that looks like I guess it looks like a microphone, that's exactly what it is. If you leave it black, it means that the microphone is active. If you click on it, it mutes the microphone. So I'm going to unclick it so that my microphone is not muted. Next to that is the video. If I click it, it will disable the video, so I'm gone. If I click it again, it'll bring the video back. Next is an icon where you can share content, and actually in the next video that I produce, I'm going to show you how you can actually share some content. Next is Record Session. Probably when you do this WebEx sessions, you'll be interested in recording the sessions so that you can send out a link to the participants. Next is participants. Now if I click on that, it shows that I'm the only one here. If there had been other individuals that were in the meeting, the number would appear here and their names would appear down here. So let me X out of that. Next is a chat box, which you may want to have open. It allows your participants to ask you questions via text if they don't have a microphone. So they enter their text message here, and you can answer it, or you can have someone maybe moderate your session. Don't worry about the more options. When you're ready to leave the meeting, you can click on that. So those are the basic elements of the WebEx environment. I hope you found this of interest. As I said, the next video that I'm going to put together will actually show you how you can share a PowerPoint and an Excel spreadsheet. So stay tuned.